all of the spaces that we're looking at today need to have learning at the heart, and at the heart of learning is those learners. We're looking to create a Year 3 and 4 learning zone for 120 pupils, measuring 325 metres squared. We're looking for a team approach to pedagogy with a mix of closed, semi-open and open connected learning spaces.
The key thing, obviously, is making sure that the design is responding to the school and the pedagogy, particularly the school's culture, how they want to learn, and kind of making sure that the design is responsive to that and actually looks to the future as well.
For so long, we've been designing schools at maybe sometimes the whim, or what we did before, or what might look good. And actually what we need to do is to think about how are we going to use the spaces for learning and teaching.
You can have a range of different kinds of research, from empirical survey research to much more qualitative exploration of how people actually use the environment and what people actually want to try and do in it.
This is not just about a building at the end of the day. This is about a living, breathing third teacher that's going to really help the learning.